You snooze, you lose. Simple. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द मॉर्निंग अलार्म जो आप लोग 5 मिनट 10 मिनट के लिए रखते हो. वो आप कर लो. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. द प्लेस वेर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर इज what makes these entrepreneurs, business leaders, thought leaders different. What do they do differently than the others? And this is what I realized. And that is, at one particular moment, they focus on only one particular activity, and that is the most important activity that they have to do at that particular time. Now, we all know that multitasking is a myth. Now, if you all didn't know this, well, now you all know. For example, right now at this particular point of time, you are listening to me or listening to this video and trying to understand what I'm really talking about. Now, if you think that at this particular time, there was some other thought at the back of your mind, that's completely wrong, because at one particular moment you were thinking about only one particular thing. You were either listening to me or you were thinking about something that came to your mind at that point of time. Simple. And this is what these business leaders, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders do differently. And the more focus they put on that one particular activity, the more energy they put into it. And the more energy they put into it, easier it is for them to put that particular activity into action. And taking action is what brings results, not something like motivation for that matter. Motivation is really, I mean, temporary. If you attend a seminar or something and get motivated by it, that won't last for more than a few days. You will take action. That's not a question at all. After that, attending that particular session or seminar, you are bound to take action, but that action will not last. The secret here lies in doing what you love doing. Take Steve Jobs, for example. He loved innovation, and we all know what he did. Amitabh Bachchan, he loved acting, and we know what a legend he is today. So it's just the matter of, really putting your whole energy into what you love doing. And trust me, energy will not come into picture here, because you won't matter about the results if you love what you're currently doing. If you really don't like doing something, you will not put your 100% ever into that particular thing, and the results will show in that similar way. You won't be happy with the results, and nobody will be happy with the kind of work that you're doing. So where do you start from? You start on that particular trigger point, wherever your area of interest is, and start taking action on that trigger point. Not snoozing. Snoozing will never give you results of any sort. And at this particular time, you won't even bother about the mistakes that you did. If one way didn't work, you will go for another one and another one and another one. And ultimately, you will achieve whatever you want to, and you will reap your rewards. And in the process, you will live something called as life. I hope you all loved this video. If you all loved it, please ensure hit the like and subscribe button. My name is Nimish. I'm a son of two lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves. Until next week, next video, take care and enjoy life. Thank you. Bye.